Good day. We spoke earlier on a video about adjusting this door sensor to make sure that it is in the right location. Green being an open sensor, so the door is open and it will not operate. Amber is the color we want, so that when the door closes, the sensor goes amber and it's in working condition. From time to time, that sensor will get damaged and we'll need to change it. So to change a sensor, open your panel. And I'm going to, inside the panel, you'll see, first of all, you'll see the sensors here. Follow your wire back. It'll come underneath and it'll come to a series of blocks. There is a wire at the back here. If you fire it, it's got a blue line, a brown line, a white line, and a black line. Simply pull those lines out, mark their locations at the time, pull the wire out, take the new supplied sensor, stick it in the door, bring your wire back through the panel, feed it back down, and insert the wires identical to what you've taken out. And that's as simple as it gets for replacing a door sensor.